All right, guys. So, Mr. Compleo, back again. They let me come back. I had a couple dads reach out to me with some topics and suggestions for things to discuss. Uh, One of them was car seat safety. And believe it or not, there's actually certification for that kind of thing. And I do not have it. But somebody at Compleo does. And we've done a short video on car seat safety with Kendra. So we'll be putting that out and we'll put a link on this video. Definitely check that one out. But I did want to give a car seat tip. So I see a lot of dads, a lot of parents carrying the car seat like this, or maybe in the crook of their arm like this. And that's perfectly fine. I find it much easier to put my arm through and grab like this. And then I can go anywhere, don't have to change positions, I can go up or down. It's easy to set the car seat down, spin it around if I need. You can go pretty much anywhere and hold your baby. So I would use that grip. You can choose to do whatever you want. That's what I got for car seat safety. Actually, one more thing. You could potentially call your local fire department. If somebody is certified at that fire department, they will also inspect your car seat. That might be a little bit easier. And you can check with the public library as well. They have a lot of resources for that kind of thing. That's what I've got for you.